It's Lee Lee. Fishing. Fishing in eastern North Carolina on the river. Worm, hook, slide his body around the hook. So he's wiggling real good. He looks real tasty. The fish just wanna. Then I take my rod and reel with my bobber and a cast. And I just sit and I wait. I'm gonna make a video. All right, guys, it's Lee Lee and Shelby. This is how we fish in eastern North Carolina. Got me a pretty bass. This is how we roll. This is how we do. There you go. Let's throw them back in. Catch and release. Fishing with Lee Lee and Shelby. Woo! Peace.